In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple edit, but there's one important thing you need to understand before you begin. In DaVinci Resolve, text has to be placed on a layer above your video clip if you want it to appear on screen. If the text is not higher than the video layer, it may not show the way you expect, so keeping an eye on the timeline layout is the key idea here. To get started, go to your project timeline where your video clip is already placed. Take a moment to look at the tracks in the timeline. Your video will usually be sitting on a lower track, and that's exactly where it should be. What you want to do next is add the text onto a track above that video clip. This makes the text overlay the footage instead of being hidden underneath it. Now go over to the Effects section. This is where you'll find the text tool you need. Open the Effects panel, locate the text option, and then click and drag it into your timeline. Make sure you drop it onto a layer higher than the video clip. That part is essential. If your video is on a lower track, the text should go on the track above it so it displays properly over the footage. Once you place it there, you've successfully added text to your video. That is the core process, and it's much easier once you understand how the layers work. A good tip is to zoom in on your timeline if you need a clearer view, especially if you're working with multiple tracks. This can help you place the text more accurately and avoid dropping it onto the wrong layer. Another helpful thing to remember is that whenever something is meant to appear on top of your video, it usually needs to be placed above it in the timeline. So this same principle can help you with other overlays later as well, and that's it. Open the effects, drag the text into the timeline and place it on a higher layer than your video clip. Once you understand that one rule, adding text in DaVinci Resolve becomes quick and straightforward.